I'm Hava, and right now we are at the Brooklyn Botanic Garden Lightscape, which is a light show here at the Brooklyn Botanic Garden. There are a number of holiday light shows here in the city, and I'm excited to see this one because I've never seen it before. I have to admit, I'm a little bit overscheduled right now. I have been going thing after thing after thing, especially if you're on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You can see how active I am seeing all the holiday things there are to do in New York City. So I'm a little tired, and we're gonna make this a more relaxing experience. Plus, I think it's gonna be magical and twinkling lights. And also, it's a time to ticket entry, so I need to get in there because I think we are cutting it close. Let's go. The tip given to me was to go slow, and that's great because I just want this to be relaxing. I know this is the main part of the show, but I just love looking in the darkness at the red, blue illuminated trees. Mulled wine, anyone? Okay, not right now for me. This is about the thickest the crowds have gotten for me since I've been here, and I feel like it's not bad at all. Probably because it's a Wednesday night in November, so it's not that crowded yet, but I can imagine it'll be hard to get pictures and it'll be really packed later, so I don't know if it'll be worth the experience to come out here because I'm gathering my thoughts on it, and I'll give you my final verdict towards the end of the video, but I'm just putting that out there now if it gives you any perspective. But look at these super cute cranes in the tree. This is the Winter Cathedral, so they've named it, and this is what you see all the pictures on social media and the website. This is the big showstopper, and I do not know how I'm going to get a picture in there, but wow. You made them know. This experience is cool, but I'm glad that I did really stick it out to get some great photos at that show-stopping photo moment that's all over social media, and maybe the reason you clicked on this video depending on what thumbnail photo I chose, because this ticket cost me over $40, and I feel like that's a lot for what this experience was. So mentally, I'm thinking about part of that money was for the ticket itself, and part of it is just money that I'm giving to the Brooklyn Botanic Garden to help keep them in business because it's a wonderful place here in New York, and it's not actually part donation. It's all the ticket cost. cost, but I'm just saying in my own mind. So if you want to do something like this, but you don't feel like you can justify the cost, maybe just take that perspective shift to help you make the plunge. Although there are so many other things going on here in New York for the seasons that if you don't feel like this is as compelling as maybe some other things might be, and so far I'm thinking it's cool, but maybe not something that I would redo. Honestly, I think it's sort of a one-time thing for me. The other thing is I spent about an hour here, and I feel like I went really slowly per the advice of the person who checked me in, and also just being really patient to get the photos that I wanted. So this isn't something that you're going to spend a ton of time doing most likely, because if I didn't have the camera on, I would have gone way faster and still thoroughly appreciated it. Even if you don't think this is worth your time or money to come out and do, I hope you liked the video, so go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram for daily content, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!